So it's Sunday, the 5th of July, 2020, of a morning, and I think I've completed the mosaic more or less. So here's what looks like with a little bit of reflection here as well, which I quite like. So I have completed all the Picassiette parts using the plates, the Finlandia. It's a bit of, oh, how gorgeous, my Finlandia, and creating them into teardrop shapes. And as you can see over here, I've got some faceted glass to infill, and I've got some more gaps. You know, you think you've done it all, and and then you stop, and then you think, oh no, there's some more to do, you know, like here, for example. So I might spend another day infilling with some more mirror, faceted mirror. So the peacock looks really quite three-dimensional, and I think that's due to the fact that it's got some mirror, it's got some matte white tile, and some gloss cream speckled tile. So that's giving it a lovely feel of three-dimensionality. Anyway, grouting. Yeah, I'm thinking Ultracolor plus Mapei Ultracolor plus 112 grey. That'll bring out the colours and make it lighter still. But as it's a grey, it would contrast very nicely with the white. And I've got some gaps here, so I've got some more mirror to infill here. And this section I was just going to infill with mirror, but I think what I might do here is put a little bit of lettering. For example, joyfully created during lockdown 2020. Maybe have June, July 2020 as well, perhaps, or something like that. Yeah, so, and I think I don't, you know, originally I thought, this is gold, so maybe I should put some brown 144 chocolate Ultracolor plus in this area, but I think the grey could cope with it. It's always different when you're looking through a camera lens compared to when you actually see it. So yeah, it's good. It's good to look through the camera lens. How else can you see this? But yeah, I tell you what, I am very happy with how it looks, and it is impressive. And goodness knows how many teardrops I have cut over the last few weeks. Oh my days. So it goes really well, this mosaic, with let's try to focus. It goes really well with my tile tapestry on my staircase as well, so that goes really nicely. Of course we need vacuuming here, but I think if I'm just going to carry on working today on this lovely sunny Sunday, I think I'll give it a good clean up later on. Guilt. Oh. Anyway, there's your mirror to cut up, and it's faceted as well, so it gives a little bit of texture to it. And that's what my baby looks like today. So probably the next film you see will be when I grout it. So see you soon.